So the second part of the craft this week is the night rainforest, and it's a very simple craft, really great for toddlers and preschoolers working on their hand-eye coordination. The first step is to cut some tree trunks, and practicing with scissors is a good skill for our little ones to work on. I'm gonna make 3 or 4 of these. And this is great because the kids can just freeform however they want their tree trunks to be. And it's nice that it's not particular. And then once that step is done, you are going to glue it to the black paper. I have my glue stick here. Glue stick is probably a little easier to use than white liquid glue. I find it easier to glue on the leftover paper from the tree trunks, but if you want to make more tree trunks, you may not want to do that. If it's too tall for your paper, you can just tear it off. Cut it down depending on what look you want. As you learned in the last craft, the forest has different layers, and so there's always things growing at different heights. So this is a quick and easy craft. That go this way. Make that one a little shorter and then maybe have a push down here. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then the next step is adding your leaves, which are these green stickers. And again, no right or wrong way to do it. You're just going to group them around the tree trunks to give our hidden nighttime animals a place to hide. And then our last step is simply adding the eyes. So at night, when the animals are hiding in the rainforest, sometimes all you can see is their eyes peeking out at you. And who doesn't love googly eyes? You're just gonna stick these on here however you feel like. Once you get your eyes on, you can take out some crayons, and if you want to add some other things, bananas in the trees. Actually, colored pencils would work better because they will stand out on the black paper. We have a bird in this tree. And there we have our night forest. And like I said, you can add some colored pencil to it if you want to draw animals or put some words on there, and it's ready to hang on your refrigerator.